Consider the following statement with reference to status of child marriage in India. United Nations Children's Fund estimates suggest that each year at least 1.5 million girls under 18 get married in India. According to NFHS, 23.3% women survived got married before attaining the legal age of 18 years, down from 26.8% reported in NFHS 4. Figure for underage marriage among men in 17.7% NFHS 5 and 20.3% NFHS 4. Answer 2. Consider the following statement with reference to POCSO Act 2012. The law does not recognize a minor's consent age valid. Police can make an arrest without warrants. Only second.